आमच्या गोंयान आतां संपूर्ण गोंय म्हणून एक अवेरनस प्रोग्राम आमी कंडक्ट केल्लो थ्रू विलेज पंचायत चिकोलना बोगमालो. आनी हो प्रोग्राम बेसिकली डोर टू डोर सगळे लोकांक वेदर इट इज एम्प्लॉयड ऑर नॉन एम्प्लॉयड तांकां बेसिकली टू टेक बेनिफीट ऑफ दीस स्कीम. सो बेनिफीट स्कीमी ही बेनिफीट घेवपाक लागून आमी 5 डिपार्टमेंट्स आमच्या पंचायतीन येवन अवेरनस प्रोग्राम आमी कंडक्ट केल्लो. बेसिकली इट वॉज कोस्ट गार्डान आपले जे अवेरनस दिले हाव द लायफ ऑफ अ फिशरमॅन or the people who are sailing in the sea, how they have to go around with their safety. Secondly, we had ITI for the students where they can avail these benefits. Then we had social and child welfare. We had women and child welfare also department which had come. We had got husbandry department also with all the schemes which had come forward for the people to take the benefits.
माझे नाव डॉक्टर समया वेलणकर आणि आय एम रिप्रेझेंटींग डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एनिमल हजबंड्री. आयज हांव आयिल्लें आसा ते बोगमालो पंचायतीन टू स्पीक अबाउट आमचे वेरियस स्किम्स आसात म्हणजे काव रिलेटेड ऑर डेरी. खुबशे अशें आसा की कोणाक आमच्या स्किमीची खबर ना. सो अंडर स्वयंपूर्ण भारत आनी स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय स्कीम आमी ह्यो सगल्यो स्किमी तुमकां फुडें येवन एक्सप्लेन करता. म्हणजे आमी ह्या सगळ्या पंचायतींनी भोंवता आनी तुमकां एक्सप्लेन करता की तुमी लायक कश्यो स्किमीचो एडवांटेज घेवंक शकता. हेच आमचो हेतू आसा.
We all know that we are celebrating this Coast Guard Day on 1st February 21. So every year as a tradition we used to celebrate to this day in different ways like Coast Guard cleanup, this coastal cleanup and fisherman interaction. But due to this pandemic, COVID pandemic, we have minimal physical interaction. So we have requested Panchayat Bagmolo to interact with the staff and they can disseminate the information for safeguard the fishermen and so they can disseminate our information to further their resident and as well as the fishermen. So we have conducted a small program over here at Bagmola Panchayat from Team Coast Guard Goa.